Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Quang.
Good. Are you ready?
Yes,
Good. All right. So, what food do you like?
I like pizza.
Good. What color do you like? Red, yellow, blue, green. What color do you like?
Yes,
You like red.
I'm rest.
Oh, you like red. Very good. Okay. So, can you tell me what food do you like?
I like pizza.
You like pizza. Okay. Good. How many people are in your family? There are. There are how many? How many? 4, 3. Okay, good. Let's go. All right, now let's do it. So, what do you have here?
Ham,
Good.
bean,
Good.
in,
Good.
bag,
Good.
jam,
Very good.
pen,
Pen.
pen,
All right.
wet,
Good.
net,
Again, can you
Net.
speak louder? Okay.
net,
Net.
net,
All right.
bar,
Good.
can,
Good job.
axe,
Very good.
rust,
Good.
hat,
Good.
map,
Good.
ram,
Very good.
wet,
Good.
rib,
Good job.
pan,
Very good.
mat,
Again.
mat,
Very good.
cat,
Good.
ant,
Good.
mop,
Good.
cord,
Very good.
egg,
Good.
cap,
Good.
fan,
Good.
hot,
Good.
wind,
Good.
bag, ink,
Good job. Fist bump. Yes. All right. Now we go to the story. Okay. So you choose which one do you want to read. Okay. Let's go.
The red hen is wet. Oh no, my pet hen is in bed. We go to the vet. My hen had 10 eggs.
Good job. All right. Now let's go to sight words. Okay. You choose which one do you want to read. Okay. Good. Let's go.
I can see a hat. I like the hat. I can see a balloon.
Okay.
I like the balloon.
Okay.
I can see the car.
Eh.
I can see a car.
Okay.
I like my car.
Very good. All right. Good. Next. Which one do you want to read? You want to read this?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go.
I like pizza. I like apple. I like banana.
Good.
I like carrots.
Good.
I like egg.
Good.
I like cooking. I like car.
Very good. All right. Good. High five. Good job.